Hi, Rick Lineker here. Today we're going to talk about advanced text techniques. As a matter of fact, they're not even really text techniques, they are using images as text. Many times the regular HTML text is great, especially when you can decorate it with CSS, but then many other times you need something really fancy. That's what we're going to talk about today. So, first thing I'm going to do is go to a website called Flaming Text. There are lots of sites on the internet similar to this, but this is an older one. This is the one I got used to, and I prefer it. You can see there are lots of designs down here, and I'm going to pick this 3D text one. I'm going to put something very cool, and there are lots of options here. I'm going to make this transparent. You can set the font size and so forth. I'm going to make the font size a little bit smaller. Oops, that was a little bit bigger. Now a lot smaller. Okay, create logo, and it will go through and take a couple of seconds, maybe up to 15 seconds, and create the logo. All right, that was actually really quick, probably because it's the morning and nobody's on. But all you have to do now is right-click that and say Save Image As. IE and Chrome and Firefox are all a little bit different. So we're going to go into our Web 115 directory that we created. And let's go ahead and make a new directory there for this called Use Image Text. Okay. And inside of that, let's make a new directory called Images. We want to get in the habit of putting all of our images into a directory called Images, or something else, but normally Images is what you do. Okay, let's rename this to Image Text. And there it is. Now let me minimize this website and go to my directory, use image text, and there I have it. So let's create a web page. Let's say main page .htm. Bring that over to my incredible editor. Paste in my boilerplate code. Give it a title: Use Text Image Text. And what we'll do here is img src equals, remember this is going to be a relative path. Let's see, image text.gif. Okay, save that. I'll just go back and render. Double click on the page, render it, and Web 115 is cool. Okay, we don't need that quite so big. Go ahead and make that a little smaller. Now, one of the things I might recommend is that you just minimize your browser, and when you come back, you can just refresh it. So now I can change the size of this if I want it bigger. Width equals, we'll say 600 pixels. Save it. Bring your browser back up. Just refresh it. It's a lot bigger. So there's actually a lot you can do. So anyway, this is an alternative to using HTML text because you can see there's a gradient, there's a 3D effect, and there are all sorts of things you can do with this if you go to a site such as Flaming Text. And that's it for this lesson.